I really like it because it's super comfortable and it feels like a moving blanket, but I
Yep.
feel like it's kind of fashionable.
You
Uh,
are not kinda. Take that word out.
and it's trendy, but I kind of I'm kind of I it's hard for me to style it because I feel like it's like this cream and I kind of get in a rut and I kind of only wear it with like three different pairs of pants or like one or two pairs of pants and like the same shirt.
So the key to this has more to do with accessories than colors. This is a gorgeous neutral oatmeal color. Let's not compete with it. Let's not try and override it. Make the sweater the shining point. If you put on any sort of bright color, it's going to take away from the silhouette and the elegance because this really is elegant as far as things go. But I want you to play around with shoes. I want you to play around with jewelry. This is going to be the perfect medallion necklace, and length does matter. It needs to hit you. Yes, it's got to be above the jean, okay? And it's got, so you have to be able to see the full pendant defined. Once it starts falling below the top of the jean, not only are you losing the pendant, but you losing the clear definition of your waist. Pose, boot, pose. Yes. Give me one spin. One
Spin.
spin, one spin. Ooh, yes. All right. And you're ready. My work here is done.